वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता की तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली साऊथ आनी भलायकेन. And today I am going to show you all how to make the easiest my childhood what I have seen growing this recipe my sibling used to do. So it's called Seweiyan. Okay, so Seweiyan is, this one is roasted Seweiyan. It is written also. You get white color also without roast, and then you can do, but roasted is always better. And it's like around 22 rupees one packet, and easily if you are in diet and want to eat less than maybe 6 people can have this. So you need one packet of this, 1/4 cup of ghee. You can use less also, lesser than this. You can use more also. I will be showing using more ghee and how it turns out. So this is with less. So 1/4 is like around 2 tablespoons of ghee. Cups are easily available on Amazon. You can check on my products and you can buy it. Then less than half cup of sugar. Okay, so exact like less than half cup. So these are the 3 main ingredients for this. Then garnishing, you can use some cashew nuts and some tender coconut. It's available, or any designated or normal coconut you can just for garnishing. So I am using this tender coconut. Now there are some families who will use loads like half coconut in the Seweiyan. So but I like to have it with plain, and topping can be little bit of coconut, and that also tender coconut. तर मानता तुमी हे सगळीं जाणां गोंयकाराच्या घरांनी हे करून खाता आमी, पूण आमचे न्यू जनरेशन जी भुरगीं आहा ती थोडी मातशी नॉको. ताकाच लागून हांव ह्यो सगळ्यो रेसिपी हाडूंक सोदतां आमच्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. तर ही जावन आसा सेवियां जी आमी आमच्या धाकट्यापणार आमी खाल्ल्या आणि इजिली अवेलेबल मेळटा गोंयच्या खंयच्याय शॉपाचेर. तर ताका लागून ही सेवियां जाय, 1 पॅकेट, हें 1/4 घी, 2 कुलेरां अदमासान, आनी हें अर्दे कपाकीन इल्लें हें उणें साकर, इल्लीशें हांवें घेतलां हें आमचें काजू बियो गार्निश करपाक, आनी आमचें आरसोलाचें जें आसता पळय भितर तें इल्लें हें घेतलां गार्निश करपाक. मागीर आमकां हें 1 कप उदक जाय गरम खतखतीत. ओके, तर हांवें तें कॅटलान करून दवरलां. सो यू नीड 1 cup of hot water. So let's start. So first thing is break this inside the packet only. You want to put full, then full. Now we'll cut and keep this ready. Keep your hot water also ready. So first thing, we will add ghee to our pan. Very simple it is, very 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 simple. Quick also. If any guest is coming and you don't know what to serve them, then this is the best. This is pure ghee. You can use whichever company you are getting. Now we'll add this. And roast this for few minutes along with the ghee, so the flavor goes to the Seweiyan. And now we will add on this top our sugar, so it nicely get caramelized. And keep your water ready, okay? Cover this a few minutes on low flame, very low flame. So I'll keep a check. So now we will add our hot butter to this. One cup is enough for this quantity. So no milk. This is without milk recipe. So now we'll cover this and we'll cook this for 5 minutes. At this point we will add a pinch of salt to this, a pinch. Now we'll mix this. And we'll cook this till all the water which is there has been absorbed nicely. Now this is cooked actually, only the water which is there, let it get so it's already cooked. Another 5 minutes and it is done. So here it is ready. It's done. I'll put off my gas. So this is nicely cooked. So hope you all will enjoy this. Try this recipe and make it in your kitchen. Manta तुमका सगळ्यांगे आवडटली. I'm putting off my gas and तुम्ही करून ये खातेली. Thank you so much. देव बरें करू. So when you are serving, just serve it with few cashew nuts, because it doesn't need also cashew nuts. But when you are serving your friends, whoever is come, and this is our coconut, tender coconut. Tender coconut goes very well. And enjoy. And grated one. Hope you all will enjoy this. Try this recipe and make it in your kitchen. Thank you. Dev bare karu. Goan Seviyan, Goan Shevyo, korun khayat, simple, without milk, and it's yummy with tender coconut and few cashew nuts. Try this recipe and make it in your kitchen. Whenever guests come and you need to make something, try this.